It's that time of year, so it's time to get some touch-up paint work done, and I'm going to go with this high volume, low pressure airless sprayer. Let's open it up and take a look at it. This one, I like the option that it doesn't need an air compressor. It uses its own onboard, so you just have to bring power to the unit. It's got a pretty long power cord, and then the unit itself creates the volume of air it needs to do the job, and then it's got a pretty long cord or hose as well for that. So as you see, we open it up here for the first time. It comes along with a bunch of accessories, a couple of four different nozzles, and these are metal nozzles. They go from 1 to 3 millimeters, so that helps you with the different volumes, types of paint you might be using. A cleaning brush and a funnel. Looks like a strap for carrying the unit. Got instructions here with some extra gaskets. I noticed that's pretty neat. I'll pull that long hose out, and that's for the air to the unit. This is both units together here. This is the power cord. It uses a 2-prong outlet, so that shouldn't be a hassle. The base unit fits into the painters fits into the base unit. Place for the hose, that's pretty handy. Covered on-off switch, so you don't have to worry about getting paint in there. Pretty nice. It's the rubber, the black part on here is rubber, the blue part is plastic. Some of the features I like is you got your paint adjustment right here on the actuator, and then if you're mid-session and you need to refill, it's like a 1300 canister there, you can refill the reservoir anytime. You can adjust this from round to oval, left and right. You can change out those nozzles like I mentioned. Very easy to clean from the reviews. I'm looking forward to using this. It's a little lighter weight than I thought it would be, and this way we'll be able to do some painting jobs without having to have an external air compressor. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.